previous session. I hope you all are well. So students, which chapter is going on? Chapter number 11, that is we save water, right? In the yesterday session we read about the sources of water. आपको sources of water के बारे में बताया था. There are two types of sources of water, surface water and one is underground water, and I told you about the sources of water also कि जो surface water पे है water उसके sources कौन से हैं, underground water के sources कौन से हैं, right? Then after I told you about the water cycle. So today I will give again the recap of that topic, water cycle, and after that we will continue with the chapter. Okay, so before that, what is the password of the day? Yes, so password of the day is evaporation. I told you the meaning of evaporation in the previous session, right? Evaporation means vashpikaran. Evaporation means it is the process by which water changes into water vapor, right? जो हमने water cycle में पढ़ा था, that is the evaporation. Evaporation is, again I am explaining here, what is evaporation? It is a process by which water changes into water vapors. जो water है वो किस में change हो जाता है? Water vapors में. Okay? That process on heating, जब उसको heat मिलेगी water को तब वो evaporate होगा. When we will give heat to water, then water will evaporate and it will convert in water vapors. Okay, so this was about the evaporation, and this is your password also, so we have to learn the spelling. evaporation, evaporation. Okay, again evaporation, evaporation. Okay, now the next thing is I told you about the condensation. So what is a condensation? It is just opposite of the evaporation, right? Condensation. So firstly we will learn the spelling. Condensation, C-O-N-D-E-N-S, condensation, A-T-I-O-N, condensation. Okay, so evaporation is a process by which water changes into water vapor. And now move on to the condensation. Condensation is opposite to the evaporation. It means water vapor converted into water on cooling. Now water vapors will change into water on cooling. That process is known as condensation. Okay, so these were two methods जो हम water cycle में use कर रहे हैं. Water cycle में जो use हो रहे हैं. So firstly, this is ocean and here is a sun. So from the heat of sun, water will evaporate, right, in the form of water vapor and will go into the sky and will form the clouds. और यहाँ पर सारे water vapor collect हो गए. Now water vapor इतने ज़्यादा हो गए हैं जब वो condense हो जाते हैं. Condense means बिल्कुल cool होकर एक cloud बना लेते हैं, और जब वो cloud इतना ज़्यादा full हो जाता है water vapor से, then वो क्या करता है, converted into the, then water vapors will convert into the rain, and here the process was evaporation, and then here is the process of condensation. Okay, this is the condensation. So यहाँ से हमारे पास rain आ गई. Okay, from like this again, here rainwater will come again in the ocean, and again the same process will start. From the heat of sun, it will again evaporate and it will again come in the form of rain. Okay, so this is water cycle. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now children, we are starting with the next topic. We will continue the chapter now. This was the recap of the previous session. Now we are starting with we will continue just our chapter. Now next topic is yes, saving water. So as we all know, water is very precious, right? Water is very precious and we all have to save the water. If we will not save water, we will face many problems. Okay, so as you all know, water is very essential for drinking, right? For cooking, for bathing, in so many things we are using water. So without water we cannot live, right? Without water life is impossible. Okay, so now today we will read it. There are some points to save the water. Okay, so water is precious, we should not waste it. Here are few ways of saving water in your home and garden. होम और गार्डन में हम किस तरह से वाटर को सेव करके यूज कर सकते हैं, देखो अब वो रीड करेंगे. द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज अवॉइड लीविंग द टैप रनिंग व्हाइल ब्रशिंग टीथ और वॉशिंग हैंड्स. जब भी हम वॉश करते हैं हैंड्स को और जब भी हम ब्रश करते हैं तो रनिंग टैप को मतलब टैप को चलते नहीं रहने देना चाहिए. ओके, सो वी शुड यूज दैट मच ऑफ वाटर के जितना हमें नीड है. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज अवॉइड वाटरिंग प्लांट्स विद द पाइप. Never water the plants with the pipe. With the pipe, water will waste much. So always use a bucket and a mug to give the water to the plants. So it because from with the pipe it wastes a lot of water. Now the next step is, so what was second step? Use mug and bucket. For bathing also, don't use shower because shower से क्या होता है, पानी ज़्यादा वेस्ट होता है. So use mug and bucket for gardening and bathing. So that is. Now the next step is. Next point is we should take as much as water in our glass as we can drink. हमें उतना ही पानी हमारे ग्लास में लेना चाहिए जितना हम पी सकते हैं. We should not waste even a single drop of water. Okay, now next step again अभी मैंने आपको बताया कि we should avoid using a shower. Okay, then next is we should close the tap tightly after using it. If अगर आपने टैप का यूज किया then close it tightly. ओके, अगर आप टाइटली क्लोज नहीं करेंगे देन ड्रॉप वाटर गिरता रहेगा उसमें से, इट विल वेस्ट द वाटर. सो वी शुड क्लोज द टैप टाइटली आफ्टर यूजिंग इट. नेक्स्ट इज वी शुड अवॉइड क्लीनिंग यूटेंसिल्स एंड वॉशिंग क्लॉथ्स अंडर अ रनिंग टैप. रनिंग टैप के नीचे कभी भी हमें क्लॉथ्स नहीं वॉश करनी चाहिए और ना ही यूटेंसिल्स, बिकॉज इससे भी क्या होगा, वाटर ज़्यादा वेस्ट होगा. So we should always use some bucket में पानी रख लो and use that water for washing clothes and washing utensils. Now the next step is we should mend leaking pipes immediately. अगर कहीं पर कोई टैप लीक कर रही है या कोई पाइप लीक कर रही है, we should mend. हमें उसे जल्दी से जल्दी ठीक करा लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज क्या होगा कि अगर हम ठीक नहीं कराएंगे तो हमारा वाटर वेस्ट होगा. सो हाउ कैन वी सेव द वाटर? दीज आर द सम पॉइंट्स कि हम किस तरह से वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं. हम सभी मिलके करेंगे तो वाटर सेव हो जाएगा. ओके, सो नाउ इट इज द लास्ट स्टेप. Water must never spill out of buckets or other containers. We must close the tap when the container is full. As soon as the container is full, you just close the tap. टैप को क्लोज कर देंगे सो दैट वाटर जो है वो वेस्ट ना हो. सो दीज आर द सम पॉइंट्स जिससे हम वाटर को सेव कर सकते हैं, वाटर को वेस्ट होने से बचा सकते हैं. क्लियर अबाउट दिस टॉपिक? इट वाज अबाउट द सेविंग वाटर, दैट हाउ कैन वी सेव द वाटर. नाउ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द स्टोरिंग वाटर. स्टोरिंग मीन्स स्टोर करके रखना, सेव करके रखना. रखना, एक जगह पर सेव करके रख लेना वाटर को, दैट इज स्टोरिंग वाटर. In some villages, as I told you, in some villages or in some areas of cities also, there is some problem, like उनको अच्छे से water supply नहीं मिलता, they are not getting the proper water supply. For that, what they have to do, जब भी उनके पास water available होता है, they just store the water. वो water को store कर लेते हैं. They can store water in bucket, okay, in big टैंक जो हमारे फ्लोर्स पे होता है मोस्टली. सो बकेट, बिग टैंक, एंड वी कैन से पॉट, बॉटल्स. सो लाइक दिस वी कैन यूज सच टाइप ऑफ कंटेनर्स टू स्टोर द वाटर. हम इन कंटेनर्स में वाटर को स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. इफ सी टुडे आई गॉट द वाटर सप्लाई, बट tomorrow I will not get water supply, so I will use these things. Okay, so इनमें जो water पड़ा होगा उसको मैं use करूँगी. Okay, so now just there is an activity to know which vessel contains more water. अब हमें जानना है कि कौन सा कंटेनर, यहाँ पे 2 कंटेनर दिए गए हैं. One is a wide mouth. Wide mouth means जिसका बहुत ओपन मुंह है, that is wide mouth. And my drawing is not so good. And this, okay, a wide mouth container, and one is narrow. Narrow means small है. Okay, now we have to know which vessel contains more water, कि कौन से कंटेनर में ज्यादा वाटर आएगा. ओके, सो थिंग्स नीडेड. अब हमें क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए इसके लिए? एक वाइड माउथ कंटेनर चाहिए और एक नैरो माउथ कंटेनर. सो बहुत ज्यादा जब रेन होगी ना, व्हेन इट रेन्स हैवीली, पुट बोथ कंटेनर्स आउट इन द रेन. आप दोनों कंटेनर्स को क्या करो, रेन में रख दो. ओके, both containers out in the rain after it stops raining. जब वो rain stop हो जाएगी, जब rain रुक जाएगी, bring the containers back. आप containers को back वापस लेके आए और you will observe now. अब आप observe करना कि कौन से container में ज्यादा पानी आएगा. Okay, आप एक एक्टिविटी घर पे भी कर सकते हैं. just take a bottle जिसका माउथ छोटा हो. okay, take a bottle and take a mug जिसका माउथ बड़ा हो. and जब rain होगी, you just keep both the things under the rain, and then after when rain will stop, आप क्या करना, उनको वापस ले आना. and then you have to observe कि किसमें water ज़्यादा आए और किसमें कम आए. okay, so you will see that जो wide mouth है उसमें water ज़्यादा आएगा. क्यों? क्योंकि देखो इसका एरिया बड़ा है ना. इसका एरिया अगर बड़ा है तो इसमें वाटर जल्दी आएगा. इसका एरिया छोटा है तो वाटर यहाँ बार बार साइड्स में स्प्लिट हो जाएगा. राइट, साइड्स में जाएगा एंड इसका डायरेक्ट अंदर आएगा. जाएगा बाहर में, बट एरिया इज वाइड एरिया है तो किसमें ज्यादा आएगा वाटर? इन द वाइड माउथ कंटेनर. मीन्स इफ यू आर टेकिंग बॉटल एंड मग, देन यू विल ऑब्जर्व इन मग देयर विल बी more water than the bottle. Okay, so this is just a very simple activity. I hope you all will do when rain will come. Okay, जब rain आएगी आप ये चीज try कर सकते हैं. So we must therefore collect rainwater in wide mouth containers. Rainwater collected in this way can be used for bathing. We can use that water not for bathing. I can say it. We can use for watering the plants. Okay, and we can use it for washing the clothes also we can use. So like this we can store the water, and we can store the rainwater also by doing this activity. I hope topic is very interested for you all, that because we all know that water is very precious and you all will save the water. Okay, now next topic we will do in the next session. Again I am repeating जो भी आज हमने किया. Okay, so I told you today about the 2 topics, right? And in the yesterday's class even I told you about 2 topics. One was water cycle. So what is water cycle? Firstly, water will evaporate from the earth, it will go in the sky, then again from sky it will come on the earth in the form of rain. That process is known as water cycle. Understand? Then water problem. As I told you, there are some places where there is no proper supply of water. So many people are facing the problem. They have to carry their containers for very long distance and they have to just उनको full करके वो घर लेकर आते हैं. So they are facing problem of water. So why there is a water problem? What are the causes of water problem? Because of the less rain. Rain क्यों नहीं होती है? Just because some people are cutting down the forest. Because of cutting down the forest, rain, there is less rain. Okay, just because of that oceans, rivers and ponds are just बिल्कुल blank है, तो उनमें water नहीं होगा तो हमारे घर तक कैसे आएगा? Right? So rain is very important for us कि हमें अगर water चाहिए तो rain होनी चाहिए. So we should always plant the trees. We should not cut the trees. Then today I told you about the saving water. How can we save water? I told you so many points. I hope आपको कुछ तो learn हो गए होंगे. Like we should avoid the running tap when we are doing brush, when we are washing our hands, right? And when we are taking bath, we should avoid using shower, and we should use bucket and mug during giving the water to the plants also. So there are so many points जिससे हम water को save कर सकते हैं. Then I told you about storing of water. Storing water means we can store the water when there is no water supply in that area. Then we can use that stored water, or we can store the water of rain also, right? कोई भी container आप rain के नीचे रख दें and you will get some water in the container also. So इससे हमारा rain water भी waste नहीं होगा. Okay, so this was about the we save water. हमारा एक टॉपिक रह गया, that we will continue in the next session. Thank you so much for watching, students.